How to log in or sign up to Filmora. Ready to dive into video editing with Filmora 13? Whether you're logging in for the first time or setting up your account, getting started is a breeze. Watch as I walk you through the simple steps to sign in or sign up and see how easy it is to launch your first project. Let's unlock your creativity and get editing. Take your video editing to the next level. Download and install the latest version of Filmora using the link in the description and start creating like a pro. Filmora's user-friendly interface and powerful tools make it the perfect choice for all your editing needs. Once you've got it set up, don't forget to watch our next video where we'll build on what you've learned and help you unlock even more creative possibilities. Let's start editing. Welcome to Filmora 13. I'm currently using version 13.0.15, and I'm excited to guide you through the login and sign up process. When you first open Filmora 13, you'll be greeted by the startup window. If you already have a Wondershare ID, you can log in directly by entering your credentials. For those new to Filmora, click on the Sign Up button to create a new Wondershare account. Filmora offers several convenient sign-in options, including Google, Facebook, or Twitter. To register a new account, simply click on Create Account below. Since I already have an account, I'll enter my Wondershare ID and click Login. Once logged in, you'll land on the Filmora dashboard. To start a new project, head to the top left corner of the interface and select the Create New Project option. Just below that, you'll find additional tools and features to help you get started with your video editing journey. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow guides. Remember to download Filmora using the link in the description and start exploring all the amazing features it offers. And be sure to check out the next video in this series to continue your editing journey. Until next time, happy editing!